Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 1994 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. This thing is just so today is so cool. Just so many rad 80s 90s cars. I mean, just look at that design. It is just so cool. 3.4 liter V6 dual overhead cam, 24 valve, 80, how many thousand? We'll see when we get in there, but I think it's a little over 80,000 miles. Oh, just something. Cars like this get my heart pumping. I love it. 82706. Is that a Vanilla Ice cassette? You... Oh, I love it. Bucket seats in the rear. Little roll bar. Oh. One thing I like is the fact that the climate control you can adjust on the steering wheel. That is so cool, and I feel like I've seen that once before, but I don't know where. And in a convertible, that's awesome, because if it's a colder day like today and you want to bump the heat up, you just adjust it with the steering wheel. In terms of ride and handling, it floats. It's an American car from the 90s. It drives exactly how you would expect it would. However, it does drive very comfortably. Yes. Get up and go tour. I was about to ask you guys if you wanted to do the highway or just a back road cruise, because the wind noise with the top down is going to be a little bit much, but then I realized you guys couldn't respond. I think the wind noise is going to be bad no matter what we do, so I say send it. I put the windows up to help with the wind noise, but we'll see if that actually ends up doing anything. Sorry, Derek. have to say, this thing cruises remarkably well. And Derek, if you're watching this far, I see why you bought it. I could take this thing on a summer day and love it. This is just comfortable. It's, yeah, it's nice. I love it. New England Dragway, baby. Used to be my home away from home. I gotta go there at least this summer. I used to take the Hellcat there. I loved it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.